In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp username on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. Now, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Settings. On the Settings screen, tap Account to open your account settings. Here, tap on the Username option to continue. On this screen, you'll see three different ways to set up your WhatsApp username. The first option is to create a brand new username. The second option lets you use your Instagram username as your WhatsApp username. And the third option is another available method shown on your screen. In this tutorial, I'll be creating a brand new username. So let's tap on the first option. Now tap inside the text field and type the username you'd like to use. If the username has already been taken, don't worry. Simply try another username until you find one that's available. Once you're happy with your username, tap the Save button. And that's it. Your WhatsApp username has now been created successfully. That's how you can set up a WhatsApp username on an Android phone. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel,